How to turn off your active on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off your active on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off your active status on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Instagram application, and once done you need to make sure to tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to the profile icon from bottom right, tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, and from here you want to simply look for the option called messages and story replies and then tap on it. So once you come to messages and story replies, you'll find this option here known as show activated status. Tap on it and just turn off both of these toggles and your active status will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn off your active on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.